fractions in algebra. Right. It's chapter 7, book 4. New General Maths, book 4, chapter 7. And it's chapter 7, New General Maths, book 4. Right. Cannot cheat fractions in algebra. We are talking of algebra with what? Fractions. And it my questions here ano wandira pakuti simplify. Right. In algebra, with my words atinofana kunzwisisa kuti kana ndikabvunzwa newedhira kadai vari kureve. Handiti? Right. Kune kuti factorize. Handiti? Factorizing just you have to find the factors. Show the factors that multiply to give a given what? Expression. How to get that? Don't factorize. Try to put my factors are on the happy. Don't factorize. How to get that? For example, can I take out susu? E.g. cut x squared minus 5x plus 6. Can I factorize and don't buy part note? Tikati x about x because na x squared. Then we find factors of the third term, which when added they give what? 5. Factors of 6, which when added they give 5. They are none, 2 none, 3. Can a third term be positive? It means the factors are of the same what? Sign, and they both take the sign of the middle term. And so they both take the negative sign. Saka, what I factorize? What have you done? You have shown put my factors at this expression x squared minus 5x plus 6, x minus 2 and x plus 3. Correct? Those are the terms that you multiply to give this. That's factorizing. Altogether. Right. Factorize. And then remove brackets. Remove brackets. Remove brackets. Reverse factorization. Altogether. We are multiplying to show it is not patchy. And then it's not to simplify. Cannot cheat simplify to make simpler. Make what? Simpler. Not simpler. This one. Now I'm so much spelling. Mas spelling do you have a problem which is English. Do you have a problem? Right. Saka ndoko na kupota zvichidzoka mona. Saka msasa kufuka kwa manchi pota chaska pasperi. Right. Saka simplify make simpler. Ndokuka munositi kana muchidzidza motikwaye from simple to what? To complex. But apate tichibvisa from complex to what? To simple. And saka ukapiwa yakaita sa a plus 2b minus 4a plus 18a minus 7b plus 10b minus 6a plus 11b. It's not simple to say all this. Altogether. It's not simple to say all this. Saka simplifying In this case, it means you're gonna collect like terms and simplify them and give them as one. So what it got A to Tanganama positives, and it tot A plus 18A, not matching. A plus 18A,
19A
minus 4A,
15A
15A minus 6A,
9A
Saka kunana 8 na 9A. And upon a casilla, turn up banana B, got Tanganama positive. 2B plus 11B,
18B
13B plus 10B,
23B
yeah?
23B
23B minus 7B. 23B minus 7B.
16B
Sarana plus 16. Instead of saying all this, you can simply say 9A plus 16B. That's simplified. Altogether. If it is a fraction, you are going to simplify, you must reduce it to its lowest what? Terms. And it, right. My research not to simplify. Umana Pakans evaluate. Can actually evaluate to throughout find the value of. Evaluate means find the value of. Makwenzi and more fun task now. And it evaluate means find the what? The value of. One of the express in terms of. So put in terms of x. And it Kurabuti write the expression containing the unknown x. Altogether. Kurabati the unknown involved. The x. Right. So that express in terms of. It must contain x cut in terms of x. And it Saka express Pfidze. So can I express in this form? Pfidze Pfidze ijekese yakadaro. And it that's expressing. We also talk of. So what to talk on to express as a single fraction. And it as a what?
Single fraction.
Single fraction. Correct. Any fraction are more than one to express as a single. My pattern is only one. And it right. We also talk of solve. Solve means find the value of the unknown. Find the value of the unknown. No solve. That's solve. Altogether. Find the. Can I solve? Find the value of the unknown. So what it got solve? Chino solve. It is an equation. You don't solve an expression, but you solve a what? An equation. And it correct equation. Panon solve. Pane equal sign. Sakatino sarane the unknown is of if x to sarana x equal. Look solve. And it right now let's go on to exercise 7A. Let's go on to exercise 7A. Right, that time we put you on our cards. Simplify the fraction. Expressing in simplest form, reduced to the lowest terms. And it on our cards 18 over 24. simplify. Right, if you can simplify this expression, you factorize 18 and what? 24. Tatikana achiti factorize it, show the factors that multiply to give the given what? 10. Right, saka 18 inobva 2 times 3 times 3 over 24 then 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Then my common factors anobadi akanzelana. Urikuzona saka apa tinoti 2 na 2 zvinokanzelana, apa 3 na 3 zvinodi pamusoro tasara nani na 3 over kopasi tasara nani 2 times 2 which is what? 4 altogether. You have simplified this fraction. Right, so for this topic, whatever question you meet, ichiti simplify. Do the factorization. If it is a fraction, factorize both the numerator and the what? Denominator. And find out which are the common factors. Come up with the common factors. Close it. And I have book 4. Come up with the common factors. Understand this concept of fractions in algebra. Unofanira kunge wakanyatsonzwisisa yokuti chi yokuti unofanira kunge wakanyatsonzwisisa factorization. Person yokuti factorize kana wakanzwisisa person yokuti factorize so kuti hapana chinokunetsa kana 1 because zvose has to do with what? Factorization. Right, for instance, kana tikatora kuti a squared plus ab over that a squared plus ab over a squared plus ac. Right, that first you have to factorize both the numerator and the denominator. Let's factorize. Right, a squared plus ab in a in bracket a plus b. We factor out the common factor. So it's a in bracket a plus b over parapa. We factor out what? A again to sarana now. A plus c. Right. Consider a plus b is a single term yakadaro. A plus c is a single term yakadaro. Haikona kuzoti kwanzi a na a is not cancelana because a is not multiplying b. But you set up in the term yakazokwanira. But kana dzichimultiplyana ndopa unoona dzinokanzana. Sepana patikuti a in bracket this one. Write a times this one. Pana pa na a times this. Saka a na a no dzinodi cancelana. Saka we are left with a plus b over a plus c. That's our answer. We have simplified. We have reduced it to the lowest terms. There is no more common factor. Can cheat a factor? Not to say not the factor. Then you know multiply an animal could you pay a given term altogether. Saka upper a is not multiplying this one to get this, but a is adding to this. Saka put in the factor, common factor no ino cancelana. Tatima factors ano multiply. Utatupe another term altogether. Right. Saka ande na it one. Right. Twenda banana. M squared n minus 2m squared n squared over 2mn cubed. 2mn cubed minus m squared n squared. Indaisa ndisati ndatsanangura nezvayo. Ndinoda kuitsanangura manzwisisai. Maso saka regai timboimira tozoidzokera. Mundiyeuchidze kuti iya tisati tapedza. Maso naona kuti pane zvimwe complications zviripo chandoda kuzotsanangura. Saka regai timbomira kuita izvi. Right. Ngatitore sezvakaita c squared minus 2c minus 15 over c squared minus 3c minus 10. I am a quadratic expressions. And take a factors the numerator, take a factors the denominator. Right, says I'm taking this another factorizer. But tinoisa my brackets and my tot over. Saka tot c, tot c. And the same applies the denominator, tot c, tot c. Right, on the numerator, totals are 30 taken to 1 out to minus 15 altogether. When the term is negative, we find the two factors of the third term, which one what? Subtracted. They give you 2, the coefficient of the middle term altogether. Yes. Right, so two factors of 15, which when subtracted, they give you 2. Which are the factors?
3 and 5.
3 and what? 5. So 3, 5. If it is negative, it means the factors are of different what? Signs. And the bigger factor takes the sign of the middle term altogether. Saka, which is the bigger factor? It takes which sign?
Negative.
Negative. Saka pana apatot minus, apatot plus altogether. Right, again pana apa, denominator. We find two factors of 10. Which one what?
Subtracted.
They give what?
3.
3. Which are the factors? 2 and 5. They are of different signs because this third term is negative. Saka, the bigger factor takes the sign of the what? Middle term. Altogether. Right, Saka, pa between pen and negative. Saka, they are top up point G plus. Altogether. Right. These are the factors for this, and these are the factors for the denominator. Right. Then common factors. We are talking about factors. Common what? Factors. So common factors, then c minus 5. True. Saka to saranani c plus 3 over c plus 2. Altogether.
Yes.
Right, twenda pana xy minus y squared over that xy minus y squared over x minus y in bracket squared. And saka pamsoro, what is the common factor? Y. In it y in brackets x minus y. Pasasapa, it means this one is multiplying itself twice. Saka x minus y, factor of what? X minus y. Right, there is a common factor. Which is the common factor?
X minus y.
X minus y. So cancel and saka to saranani y over x minus y. Altogether. Right, and it one. Let's factorize both the numerator and the denominator. Right, pa. In numerator, zakafana b plus c in bracket squared is the same as togonamuti b plus c factor of what? B plus what? C. That's on that rewrite. You only want to rewrite for next what? Stage. Altogether. Kuturat of the up, I kind of up. Altogether. Right. Pampa numerator. Tarsa on this one will consider it to be a single term yakadai. And this one is also a single term yakadai. But panema factors. These two factors multiply to give a certain value, and These are also two factors. Characteristic factors were two more. Those that multiply to give a value. And so I was saying this one and this one multiply to give a certain what? Value altogether.
Yes.
Saka, they are factors. And Saka, are factors. Which are the common factors? Common factors which are what? Common. We factor out the highest common factor. So what is the highest common factor? So I'll factor out B plus what? C. In brackets. Ko apatika factor out B plus C. Tinosara ni na A. And toti pana plus. Toya toti plus yenu. Tinosara kuno. Tika factor out B plus C. What are we left with? B plus C. Tilose. Ta factorize ta peza nayo. Wazonaka?
Yes.
Right, we come on to this one. Let this one, let this one, and it. Saka first to find out the factorize size. That factorize is difference of two squares yakada. And it. Saka I know about B plus C factor of what? B minus C. Uruzona. Ko apa to factor out what? Plus A in bracket what? B minus C. Thereby developing a common factor. What is the common factor up? Tara Seminoda?
B minus C.
B minus C and it. Saka will factor out B minus C. Tiloze? Factor of. Chika factor out B minus C. Apa to Sara nechi up?
B plus.
B plus C. Tiloze? Toya apa to techi? Plus A. Out together. Out together.
Yes.
Maraska papi.
Factor.
Apa. Pana. Right, nyari konde ukutriku factorize ish. Andi tangiza. Isa tongo seleka mshakada. Right, apa triple factorize denominator yedu. And it. Saka factorize denominator but ye pamsoro if you understood. All right. Therefore, denominator, we want to factorize the denominator. This one we said is different of two squares, and it becomes B minus C factor of what? B plus C. Now, which is difference of two squares? B squared minus C squared, and it plus plus. About to factor out what? A in bracket what? B minus C. Out together. Saka A in bracket B minus C. Saka ta develop a new common factor in our B minus C. Tiloze. Saka tika factor out B minus C pana. Shoro hata apa tika divide na B minus C to sarani. Ko tika divide na B minus C to sarani. Saka apa B minus C na B minus C zo kanzelana. To saranani na B plus C. And it total plus kurewa issue. And it B minus C na B minus C zo kanzelana to saranani na A. Out together. Saka to sarani hii ndio. Ndio ataku nunyora hapo exactly atanyora hapo. Tilose. How could have common factors come? Which are the common factors?
A plus B plus C.
A plus B plus C na B plus C plus what? A. So cancel that. Tinosara ni B plus C over B minus C. All together. Exercise 7A. 8. Number 12, number 13, 14, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 33, 34 and 36. Practice makes it perfect.
It's very wicked.
Well, then now it's zero.
That's like a
start by revising the previous work. Let's revise. Just give me those that were difficult for revision. Number? Huh? 14. 13. What does it say?
28 c squared
28 c squared
d squared
d squared
e squared
e squared
divided
over
35 c
c
e squared
e squared e to the power of what? E to the power of 4. Check it.
Yes.
Right. When we say simplify, our key question is simplify. And when we say simplify, we are talking of expressing it in its simplest form. If it be a fraction like this, we express it in its lowest term. Altogether. So it becomes, we first factorize both the numerator and the denominator. And so that we can identify common factors that will cancel off. And so 28 is equal to 2 times 2 times 7 times c squared. It's c times c times d times d times c times c all over 35 is 5 times what? 7. Huh? Oh, I wanted to say E times E. And it? Right, 35 is 5 times 7 times C times E times E times E times E. Altogether. Right. Common factors cancel off 7 and 7. C and C. E. 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 And it? Right. What are we left with on the numerator? 2 times 2 is what?
4.
4. C d squared over 5
E squared.
e squared. Right. I'm not saying we must revise everything. Tino revise zvakati zvakakukosherai. And it? Right. And it will. You know what G number 14 has?
Not x squared
Minus 4x.
Alright. Over x squared minus 4. Right. 30. Factorize both the numerator and the denominator. And it, on the numerator we factor out the common factor, which is what? X. So katika factor out x, we are left with the x minus 4 over the denominator. We are subtracting a perfect square from another what? Perfect square. So it's a difference of what? 2 squares. So it's x minus 2 factor of x plus 2. And it, right, apana zvinokanzelana. Saka tinobva taisa yakadini? Which is not. Ari masunzisa? 26. You know teaching?
15.
Right. On the numerator, we multiply the first term by the last term. We get minus 15x squared. Altogether. Now minus 15x squared. We find the factors of 15x squared, ignoring the sign. We have x and what? 15x. We have 3x and 5x. we want the factors of 15x squared. Which one is subtracted? Which one what?
Subtracted.
They give the middle term. What is our middle term?
2x.
2x. Which are the factors? 3x and 5x. So 5x and 3x. They are of different signs because our product is what? Negative. And the bigger factor takes the side of the middle term. Altogether. Saka bigger factor in there 5x. It takes which sign? Plus. And Saka 20 plus R.